You introduce yourself.
It's okay. Thank you very much. My name is ℍ𝕠𝕝𝕤, a class teacher at primary 7 Patong integrated nursery and primary school.
Well, Mr. Donkara,
Mathematics in primary 7, mathematics in primary 5, and then integrated science in primary 6.
well, Mr. Donkara, can you tell us about how the school is treating mathematics?
Generally, it has been a misconception that mathematics is something that is very difficult. But to what I know, from primary 1 to primary 7, the way this time they are treating mathematics, it is just like they are eating matoke. Because eating matoke is very simple. That's what I recognize from them. And it is making me to laugh daily.
So now, so far with your syllabus coverage, what can you tell the general public?
So far in mathematics primary 7, out of 11 topics, we have only 4 remaining. And I think by the start of second term, everything in mathematics will be done.
Well, that is very impressive because this is still, is it first term?
Yeah.
This is still first term and only 4 out of 11. I think by the start of second term, in the middle there, the pupils will be waiting for revision. Now, what is your personal goal to this lot of the first P7, I can call them the pioneer candidates of this school?
Yeah. Anyway, they are the pioneers, you also know. And it will be the first time to be sitting. And we are very happy to be with them. So as the teachers for primary 7, at first we have the saying says the goal without a plan is just a wish. That's what is guiding us. So we have a good plan as far as getting first grade is concerned. So we would want out of 22 candidates, we would expect like 21 to get first grade and then 1 to remain in second grade, and that is, so I think that will be great.
Well, now I've picked a keen interest on the issue of first grade. Many people love first grade and many people are interested in first grade, and people go do things like quick revision, or some people even rush to get some connections. But now, how do you make sure that achieving result orientation but also the real learning without cramming is being done here?
Yeah. Number 1, it's also good that there are very few. There's what we call an individual learning. You will pick them one by one and introduce something that disturbs them to them. Anyway, to those ones who may not be able that of working out mathematics the way teachers want. And we guide them as an individual. In other words, we teach individually. And that is what will make our work to be very simple.
Well, in your class, are there serious, I believe there are issues that may arise, so I would like to ask you your view about how this school treat health and sanitation.
Generally, as you can also witness, when you move around the compound, first of all, it is very smart and very clean. You will go and find the shelters very smart and very clean. The waters are also available there. And then food alone, what they eat is very different with what they eat from home. Because number 1, you will find beans. Number 2, you'll also find rice, portion, and then the meats at times.
That is a first-class protein with the essential amino acid.
That's why they are also having that energy to
So now on the part of health, in case a student falls sick, do you have a sick bay or do you have any other alternative?
Anyway, in school setting like this, it has to be there. And for the case of integrated, we have our sick bay down there. The moment anyone falls sick, we just take him over there and rest for like a minute. The nurse take some operation on him or her. And of course, he also has to be good and well.
Yes.
That is what is happening here. Unless maybe the case wasn't, that's where we will call the parent, and then we interact, and maybe we refer him or her the answer of their parent.
Being part of this school has been something that part of your career history. So now, as you're here, can you tell us about the welfare of you and and the teachers, the fellow teachers? How are the teachers being treated here?
Personally, as you can also look at me, very fine and I'm very healthy because of good diet. Because the moment we start at school, we have this morning breakfast, and there's that breakfast before lunch. Then during lunchtime, we have so many diet, balanced diet. We could eat anything.
So you guys double deal in breakfast.
Yeah,
because there's a breakfast early, and there's another one before lunch.
Why we are
that is very good. It's okay. It has been very nice interviewing you. May you continue with the same spirit, and God bless you.
It's okay. Thank you very much.
ℍ𝕒𝕒𝕒𝕒𝕒𝕒